Hey, what's up, people? Yes, you're right. It's keep trippin' time, and we are here at the luxurious boathouse in the all-famous Dal Lake, Srinagar. So this is one of the rooms where we are staying, and this is just for two people sharing. I know it's huge, but that's how it is. And let me give you a quick tour of how the boathouse is. This is one of the rooms, and then you have one of our trippers chilling, and similarly you have 3 to 4 rooms in each boathouse. So this is one of the other rooms. So a little bit on the wood that you see here. Apparently all of this is handmade design, and this is called the Devdar wood. And this boathouse is close to 30 to 40 years old is what I'm told. Beautiful chandeliers as well, and all of this carvings again is handmade. This is walnut tree, and this wood that you see here is Devdar wood. Apparently Devdar wood can sustain water for even 100 years. So let's take a quick walk. This is a small kitchen here. This is towards the top of the boat, and this is the beautiful dining area. That's how it is. We just finished a super breakfast, and then this is the sit out, as you can see, and beautiful chandelier here. And then we have Mr. Ajaz. So Mr. Ajaz is the owner of all of these boathouses. So we will quickly go out, and this is the beautiful Dal Lake. Extremely beautiful, guys, and trust me, if you're here in Srinagar, you definitely need to have a visit to Dal Lake and basically stay overnight here. So it's currently 10 o'clock, 10 in the morning, and there's some online shopping happening. When I say online, it's in-house shopping happening of leather jackets. And then let's take a quick walk towards the water and the boats, which is the key highlight. Yeah, so that's how it is. Simply mind-blowing and beautiful. Stay tuned, more coming up, and as always, keep tripping.